Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to install CyberGhost VPN, right? So if you want to install CyberGhost VPN, right, watch this video step by step because I'm going to walk you through all the processes to successfully install CyberGhost VPN, right? So make sure you pay close attention to this video, right? Okay. But then also guys, if you don't have an account on CyberGhost VPN, right, I'll highly recommend you use the link in the description of this video. Click the link first. That's the first step to come here to CyberGhost VPN, right? Click the link in the description because it's a discount link, which means that you're going to get a discount on your purchase if you decide to make a purchasing decision on CyberGhost VPN, right? That link will give you a discount, right? Do well to use it. It's my referral link. It gives you a discount to come to this page to sign up, right? That's the first step. What you're going to do right now is you're just going to click on the get it now, as you can see. So then they're going to take you to the different pricing plans. Right here you have the 1 month plan, as you can see. Then you have the 2 years plan plus 2 months free. Then at the same time you also have the 6 months plan. So whichever one works for you, make sure you select the one that works for you. Now what you're going to do is that once you've selected the plan you want, you simply go to the checkout page, continue to check out, which is actually a very simple process. So once you've gone to the checkout page, the next thing you're going to do right now is just to fill in your card details. If you're using a debit card, it's still going to work because I use the debit card. I'm going to be logging into my account in just a minute, but I use the debit card, so it works as well. Credit or debit card will work. Put in your details. If you're using PayPal, if you're using Bitcoin, whichever one works for you, make sure you just fill in your details and then click on the subscribe now. Once you click on the subscribe now, then you'll be able to open an account. So that's just the first step for setting up the CyberGhost VPN. So once you've opened your account, I'm going to assume you've opened your account right now. And guys, don't forget the link is in the description of this video to sign up. So use the link in the description. So once you're done, the next thing you're going to do right now is you're actually going to, once you've actually purchased and signed up to get an account, the next thing you're going to do is come back to the main page right here, and then you're going to go to where it says my account right here. So once you go to the my account right here, it's actually a very simple process. You can see guys, this is actually inside of my account, and as you can see, I already have a plan. I'm currently on the monthly subscription right now. That's the one I use. So what you're going to do right now is you're going to actually go to this place where it says download hub. Now this place where it says download hub, the next thing you're going to do right now is that you're actually going to come over to this place here, and then you're just going to select, if you're using a Windows right now for your PC, make sure you download the one for Windows. If you're using a Mac, just download the one for Macs. If you're using Linux, just click the one for Linux. At the same time, if you're using your mobile phone, you can just download the one for the Android. You can download iOS. Guys, at the same time, if you want to use the Chrome extension as well, you come here below where it says tools, and then you can see the CyberGhost VPN for Chrome, for Firefox, and then you have other ones as well, which is actually very amazing. So what you're going to do right now is, depends on the one you want. What I'm going to do is that I'm just going to show you the one for the Windows, because I'm using a Windows right now. I'm actually using a Windows right now, so that's actually the one I'm using. So once you click on the download, it's actually going to download into your system, and then you just click it and then install it. It's actually a very simple process. I already have mine installed, which is why I can't install again. However, I'm just going to log into my account and show you how the CyberGhost VPN works. So this is actually the second step. So once you click on the download and then it downloads, it's actually very simple. Just click on it and then install it. You just follow these processes there and install it, which is the second stage right there. So once it's installed, then we move over to the third step. And guys, as you can see right here, this is my CyberGhost VPN account, and this is the third step we're taking, which is the final step for the setup. So what you're going to do right now, as you can see, this is my account right here. So what happens is, this is actually my account right here. So what you're going to do right now is just go to the CyberGhost VPN. Let's go back. So you can select any country you want. As a matter of fact, they have a lot of countries. You can change your location from different countries all over the world, which is actually very amazing. I just want to choose Romania, so I'm going to choose Romania right here, and I'm just going to click on this right here. So what you're going to do next is that you're just going to actually click on the start a connection. So what I'm going to do to be sure that it's actually working and we've set it up properly, what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to click on my location right here. At first, my location, as you can see right now, it says I am in Lagos. Lagos is a place in Nigeria. If you don't know where Lagos is, let's just put it up right here. So you're going to see it's actually Nigeria. Very easy and simple. It says here Lagos, it's a Nigerian's largest city. So what's going to happen right now is that we are going to use it right now. We are going to start the connection on our CyberGhost VPN to be sure that the setup is, we set it up properly, which is actually the final step. So as you can see right now, it says we are connected, and then it said here it's Bucharest, Romania, which is actually very amazing. Yeah, in Bucharest, Romania. And to be sure that actually we've set it up correctly, I'm going to exit this and exit this right here. Then what we are going to do right now is just going to put my location, and then let's see if Google has picked up our new location. As you can see right here, boom, it says Bucharest, Romania, guys, boom, which is actually very amazing. Remember, we changed our location to Bucharest, Romania right here, and it says here Bucharest, Romania, guys. So if you follow the steps I showed you, you will set up your CyberGhost VPN correctly, guys. And guys, do not forget that the link to CyberGhost VPN is going to be in the description of this video. So if you're going to sign up, do well to use the link in the description for a discount. So I believe with that being said, that will be it for this video.